Hai, Assalamualaikum. Nama diberi Syaful bin Faizal. Nombor metrik 2420219196. So, inilah stopwatch project untuk 8001. So, first one, let's speak in English, okay? So, when the problem starts, we set up the microcontroller ports. Port 2 control which digit of the display segment. The start, pause, and reset buttons are connected to pins on port 3. At the same time, timer 0 is configured to generate an interrupt every 1 millisecond, which we'll use as our time base. And second step, inside the main loop, the microcontroller is consistently refreshing the display by multiplexing the 4 digits. It lights up the 1000 digit briefly, then the hundreds, then the tens, and finally the units. Cycling through them quickly makes all digits appear to be on at the same time. The loop also checks the button pressing start set the stopwatch running, pressing pause freeze it, and pressing reset returns the count to 0. Short debounce delay is added so button presses don't trigger. So the third step is every 1 millisecond timer 0 overflows and triggers an interrupt. In the interrupt service routine, we add 1 to a millisecond counter. When this counter reaches 1000, exactly 1 second has passed. At the point if the stopwatch is running, the counter value is increment. The counter value is increment. Step 4, the stopwatch increment like an odometer. First, the units digit is increased. If it's overflow past 9, it resets to 0 and the tens digit increases. The same logic applies to the hundred and thousands digit. When the stopwatch reaches 9999, it automatically stops. Step 5, display output. So the display output to show each digit, program looks up correct 7-segment code from a table and send it to port 0. Then one of the digits select lines on port 2 is activated, turning on only that digit. Because this happened very fast, our eyes see a steady 4-digit display. So the stopwatch program use timer 0 interrupts for accurate 1 second timing, multiplexing to drive the display, and simple logic for start, pause, and reset control. This make a reliable and easy to understand stopwatch digits. Built entirely with the 051 microcontroller. Basically this is the digit table, the short delay, then this is the refresh loop. So this is the increment time. So this will start. So let me build. lab ni. Minggu ni kita cakap ni short tiga